Hello friends, welcome back to Camy's Garage. I haven't been up to much this week. Well, I should say I haven't been up to art this week. What I have been doing is preparing the garage for Open Studios this weekend. I know I've been prattling on about it in my previous videos, so I'm pretty much all ready, got everything set up. So let's take a quick look. So this is the bowl wall, and I set up the two bottom shelves with all my bowls. Pretty much, there's a few pieces over here. Got several pieces set up over here, all tagged with the name and the price of each piece. Spent a significant amount of time tidying up. I don't think I'll be able to do a demo on the lathe because what I do is so messy. Hey, look at who we have here! This is a local newspaper called the Free Times, and they have a story about few local artists leading up to Open Studios to promote the event, and I was lucky enough to make the pages. I also got some signs to place near the road and the intersections nearby. There's a coffee table and a chest that I made that I'm going to for sale. I'm going to put a sofa right here so my guests can lounge and hang out. I'm going to bring some refreshments and snacks. There's Spidey. Interesting story about this piece. There was a preview party last night for Open Studios, and we were encouraged to bring a small piece, and someone offered to buy this right off the wall. Fortunately, I didn't have a way to take a payment. I ordered a credit card swipe reader that plugs into your phone. Unfortunately, FedEx lost it on me. I don't even know if it's gonna make it here. Luckily, a friend offered to loan me one for the weekend. I hope that was very generous of him. I think I'm gonna take him up on the offer, because the fellow that offered to buy the walnut loop sculpture last night wanted to pay by credit card. Sorry, I can't help you. But I encouraged him to come back, and I think he's gonna come back because I have lots more stuff to see. Maybe he'll be interested in other pieces. Anyway, I'm really excited. Hopefully I'll make a few sales this weekend. I'll update you all next week. Should be an exciting weekend in Camy's Garage.